Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transform your home into a green haven, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some awesome home gardening ideas that you can try. Whether you have a spacious backyard or just a tiny balcony, let's make the most of every space and grow some beautiful plants together. First up, if you're limited on space, don't worry. You can still grow a variety of plants in a small area. Here are a few creative ideas for tiny spaces. If you're short on ground space, go up. Use vertical planters or stack pots to maximize your gardening area. These are perfect for herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro, or even flowers like petunias and marigolds. It's all about using that vertical space to your advantage. Another idea is to use hanging planters. These can be placed indoors by windows or on balconies to grow trailing plants like ivy, spider plants, or even strawberries. It's a fantastic way to add greenery without taking up floor space. One of the easiest ways to start a garden is right by your windowsill. You can grow herbs like rosemary, thyme, or even microgreens in small pots. They don't take up much space and you'll have fresh herbs within arm's reach while cooking. Next, let's talk about container gardening. Whether you have a patio, a balcony, or just some extra room on your porch, container gardening is super versatile and easy to maintain. For larger vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, or cucumbers, make sure you choose containers with enough depth, around 12 to 18 inches. Terracotta, plastic, or ceramic pots are all great options. And don't forget, drainage holes are key. Why not mix things up by combining vegetables with ornamental plants? You can grow flowers like marigolds or nasturtiums alongside your veggies to attract pollinators and keep pests away. Plus, it looks beautiful. Chapter 3. Indoor gardening ideas for low-light spaces. Miran. Indoor gardening is perfect for those who want greenery, but don't have much outdoor space. Even if your home doesn't get a lot of sunlight, there are plenty of plants that can thrive indoors. Miran. Some of my favorites include snake plants, ZZ plants, and pothos. These are all super low maintenance and do well even with minimal light. They also help purify the air. Miran, if you're serious about growing edibles indoors, you can set up a hydroponic system or use grow lights. These systems allow you to grow greens, herbs, and even tomatoes right inside your home, without soil. Chapter 4. Creative DIY Garden Projects. Miran. Now for some fun DIY garden projects. Miran, these are not only budget-friendly but also a great way to upcycle materials you might already have at home. Miran old containers like mason jars, teapots, or even tires can make unique and stylish planters. Miran, just drill a few drainage holes, fill them with soil, and you've got yourself a personalized plant pot. Miran. One of my favorite projects is an indoor herb wall. Miran. All you need is a wooden pallet or a hanging frame, attach small pots and plant your favorite herbs. Miran. It's a functional and decorative way to grow fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Chapter 5. Sustainable Gardening Tips. Miran. Let's not forget about sustainability. Home gardening can be eco-friendly, and here are a few ways to reduce waste and conserve resources. Miran. Turn your kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost for your plants. Composting not only reduces waste but also gives your plants a natural boost of nutrients. Miran. Instead of using tap water, collect rainwater to hydrate your garden. You can set up a simple rain barrel under your gutter to capture and store water for drier days. Conclusion. Miran. So there you have it. Tons of home gardening ideas for any space. Whether you have a small apartment or a large backyard, there's a way for everyone to bring a little green into their lives. Let me know in the comments which idea you'll try out first, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!